Hi everybody, this is Nico, Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois with my new friends over here, Jennifer and Frank, and Angelina. High five. They own Emerald Bloom Landscaping over here in New Lenox, so they just bought a dump truck, 2015, it's gorgeous. Guys, thanks for the business. How was your experience?
The experience was great. I felt very comfortable, and I loved the price, and Nico was a great salesman.
Yeah, would you guys recommend me in the dealership to anybody else?
Definitely. Yes, we would.
Awesome, I hope you guys had a great time, and I appreciate your business. This little one's a cutie potato over here. Look at her.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say, come to Phillips.
Come to Phillips.
Oh my God. Well, come see me over here, Nico, at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois.